Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up the HubSpot Sales add-on for Microsoft Outlook in just a few simple steps. Click the New button at the top left to open a new email window. Once the Compose window is open, click the Insert tab in the ribbon along the top. Click the Apps button in the ribbon to open the Find an App dialog. Click Get Add-ins at the top to open the Add-ins for Outlook Store window. Click into the search box and type HubSpot Sales. Then wait for the results to load. Click on the HubSpot Sales add-in from the search results to open its details page. Click the Add button to install the add-in. It'll show an adding status for a moment, then switch to Added when it's ready. Click on the Add-in icon in the ribbon to open it, and a Get Started for HubSpot Sales dialog appears with setup information. Click the next arrow at the bottom right to move through the first setup screen. Click the next arrow again to move to the final setup screen. Click the X button at the top right to close the dialog, and you'll see the HubSpot Sales Details page confirming the add-in is installed. The HubSpot Sales icon will now appear in the ribbon whenever you compose or reply to an email. Click it to open the panel and log in with your HubSpot account to connect your CRM data. If the icon doesn't show up immediately, close the Compose window and open a new one to refresh the ribbon. You can manage or remove the add-in later by going back to Insert, then Apps, then My Add-ins, where all your installed add-ins are listed. Once connected, you'll be able to log emails to HubSpot, track opens, and use templates directly from Outlook. And that's how to set up the HubSpot Sales add-on for Outlook. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.